Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to disable online content suggestions that shows up on clicking search bar of Windows 11 Start. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by clicking on the Windows Start icon, and now you can see above a search bar, right? So once I click on it, so you can see on the right side, you can see here online content suggestions are being showing up here, right? So in order to disable this online content suggestions, what you need to do is, you can see here a three dot icons. Just click on this, and now you will see here an option retain search settings. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below, and now you will see here just below the more settings, you will see here show search highlights, right? Just disable this, and now you can close this window, and let us reopen the Windows Start icon, and let us click on the search bar. Voila, now no more online content suggestions is being showing up on clicking the search bar of Windows 11 Start. So this is the way how to disable online content suggestions that shows up on clicking search bar of Windows 11 Start. So if you want to enable it again, just go back to the same option, click on the search settings, just scroll down below and just enable it again. Now you can close it, and let us reopen the Windows 11 Start icon. Let me click on the search bar. Now it's being showing up again. So if you never known about these options available on your Windows 11 computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.